All right, everyone, this is the 27th February, and let's take a look at gold here. Start from the daily time frame, looking at the daily. Look at the daily. Previous daily candle, we're creating some sort of a resistance up around 2035. We also have some sort of support formed down at 2023. So let's take a look at this on the 4-hour time frame. Just looking on the 4-hour time frame, now we have some more information. Basically, we have a resistance formed up here around 2037, and at the same time, we have a support form. So essentially, we're in a range, a 95 pip range at this point. Let's take a look on the 1-hour time frame. Dropping down to the 1-hour time frame now, we have some more information. We can see that price basically formed a support. We also formed some sort of a resistance right here around 2033. But at the same time, like in this, even in this range between 2033 and 2027, it's a 63 pip range and there are still minor zones. So we gotta take a look on the 30-minute time frame and see how we can adjust these zones. Now, first of all, we can clearly see that there is obviously a resistance at 2033. Within this minor zone, we have another zone which is at what's this, 2030. So now this is a 27 pip range. I would say let's say, for example, someone's looking for a sell, right? If someone's looking for a sell on a 30-minute time frame, and maybe you're going to say, okay, if we can break below this wick, we can move down. This is a 13 pip range. You're not going down anywhere, you know. So also the number one thing is going to be probably I'm going to wait for price to break below 2030, because if we break below 2030, we got like a 20 pip range, and then with volume we can continue further down towards 2026. So that could be a pretty good target for later on once price does continue to move. But like so far right now between these blue lines, I would say price is just ranging, right? Because this isn't enough range. It's like a 28 pip range. I'd rather have price create some sort of a support on the 30-minute time frame and then anticipate volume from pre-London to continue pushing price up. Again, volume from pre-London to continue pushing price up. Now, someone may say, okay, well, what about this resistance? Once volume comes in with pre-New York, pre-London, that volume should break above this resistance and should continue up to this zone here to the left-hand side. Let's take a look at pound yen over here. Oh, wow, look at that. Pound yen is sort of coming down at this point. Let's change my template. Okay, perfect. Here we go. Let's take a look on the 4-hour. All right, let's take a look on the 4-hour here. So we did continue to push up, right? We did create some sort of a resistance. Now we're pushing down. We have another support. Let's take a look on the daily a little bit. Okay, so daily needs some retracement since we trade on the 1-hour 30 minutes. So we're only going to take a look at the 1-hour and 30 minute. 1 hours, we broke below 190, 960. We're coming down now. Possibly we're coming down to some sort of a support area to the left hand side. Period. Okay. Support area to the left hand side. Let's take a look at that on the 30-minute time frame. Looking at the 30-minute, we do see that there was a support right here. You can see how we had a bullish candle came up, then we had a bearish candle forming, and then the bullish candle. So boom, this is support formed. The support can also be kind of like, tallied to the left-hand side as well. So probably going to bring this zone over down here. So this is sort of like a rejection area that we have now. So I guess we'll have to wait to see how price reacts to this area. I mean, the biggest thing is going to be if we can create a support with a solid candle on the 30-minute. I think that's like a 16 pip range over here for price to move up, but we'll see. To be honest, I don't like price action on pound yen. Maybe on the 1-hour time frame, it's okay. I mean, if we do create a support based off of the 1-hour only, I think we can continue back up to 191, 100. But we'll have to see for more market structure to develop before we, you know, make any decisions. So I'm personally going to be waiting. I'm personally going to be waiting here. So let's see how pre-London comes up. I'm going to be looking at gold for longs above 2033, 100%. or let's see here. Oh yeah, possibly sells below 2030. So let's see what happens. We're probably going to see you guys later on for the live stream. Take care.